in Melon Court now. So, yeah, I just thought about the other side. That's the exit. By the time I actually get into these, I'll probably be late than anyway. Oh. Right. Yeah, there's I'm got a car up there. The company's full section back in the morning car.
No, I'm videoing it. No, it's actually quite tight.
I know.
Looks like it just rammed into like
coming down this probably.
Yeah, it looks like it just. Oh, and it's an Audi as well.
I don't.
Audis are like quite fast.
Walk up there and all. If anyone smokes, you quite welcome to get off and have a hang. I do these 20 minutes.
Yeah, I think it was just like a drunk driver or something.
Who was there on the way when I was on the way up?
Yeah.
I'm 20 minutes late already anyway, before this. Am I meant to finish now? I'm meant to take us down to Swansea and back to finish.
No. Can you not go to Swansea now?
I won't go to Swansea now. The controller will go to Swansea now. I'll just finish it.
Hey, another YouTube video, innit? Car crash in Clyn.
Because it ain't important, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, then you have to be sat at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I don't think we can go any further than the PCSO, like. Oh, try it.
Too close now, Ryan. They're going to be missing that in a minute.
Huh?
Just around the corner, yeah. I'm closer than here, and I can just
Oh, how did that happen? A drunk driver or what?
Hello.
It obviously happened not long ago. Where's the driver? Driver's okay, is he?
female, yeah.
Oh, good.
Car looks like a write-off.
Possibly. I don't run that thing.
It's not just the appearance underneath. I've been a mechanic for 30 years. It's underneath what does damage. Suspension, the legs, the rear bottom arm.
When it's dragged off, then that was really start moving again.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Once they drag it off, we'll have everybody move again. It's going to be 2 minutes now.
Right.
Oh, they were lucky, isn't it? Happy days. There you go. And there's a bus the other side, you can see everybody getting out of the boiling, just
There's
sitting
a
in the
bus
car.
about 5 minutes behind me as well.
Oh, no way. You're going to be stuck in the same place.
Going too fast coming down there, probably.
I don't know, we've just taken over from the traffic.